Welcome to weekly forecast of Nifty top 10 stocks and major indexes. Today we are going to discuss about the Nifty, Bank Nifty, and major indexes like gold, silver, crude, USD, INR, and Bitcoin, and top 10 stocks according to their weightages. So we'll begin with the gold. As expected earlier, like we were in the buy, so stay in a buy. The structurally hasn't changed much, so look for buy for at least 1813 or further, or until and unless it crosses the trend line. So it, if it is going above this 1794, it can go or small consolidation into the level of 1800 change. So look for buy setup in case of gold, not to sell. Structurally hasn't changed much. Silver, same as expected, like earlier it was in the consolidation phase and it able to cross the 26, so 25, and we were in the buy up to the level of 26. So stay in a buy up to the level of 26, and minimum it might go to the 61%. So now I'm extending this target to this level, so that is for 27 and 28. So look for buy setup, not to sell. It is not very fast, I could say, because the time taken by the downside move and upside move looking like a similar, or it's more. So more probably it will go one down before it can go any further up, but it may go to the 61% or above that. That can be possible in case of silver, or it may make some complex correction. So it is near 38% now. So hopefully it will go to the level of 50% or below that. That will be 26 and 2693. Okay, then it might make a complex correction. For example, this is like a 1 2 or ABC kind, or any structure like this, before it can go any further up. There is a possibility. Okay, so up to this level you can look for the buy in case of silver. So until and unless it breaks the trend line, so stay in a buy for at least 26.90 for the buy in case of silver. USD INR. So as earlier said, look for the buy at least for the level of 75 and 76. So structurally hasn't changed much. It has crossed even this trend line. So now it is in the buy form. So it might consolidate a little bit and go to the one more up. So look for buy, not to sell. 78 is a possibility. It might go to the level of 78. So look for buy, not for sell. Bitcoin USD, removing everything. So now it is important to look here how it behaves the area or near area of 55 USD. So if it is crossing comfortably in lesser time, so it may come to the downside before it can go any further up. Okay. Or else, like if it is taking a support, it will go one up, then down, then up. Is the possibility in case of Bitcoin USD. So here it is looking like little faster compared to this rise. Or if it is like a, if it is able to cross this high, then this movement will be like 1 2 and 3 4 and 5. For that, it will go to the level of 68 or 70,000. Or if it is coming to the downside, it may take a support at the level of 52, and further if it slides, it will go to the level of 43. So in case of USD, Bitcoin USD, you can look for a small sell up to the level of 55 and 50. If it is giving a support or anything, if it is breaking as per the two-stage confirmation, one can look for the buy setup. Or if it is crossing the level of 62, one can look for the buy. Okay, crude. Yeah. So structurally hasn't changed much. It may go to the level of 80% or odd level. So look for the buy for at least 65 USD, not to sell in case of crude oil. Okay, look for buy, not for the sell. Nifty. This also structurally hasn't changed much, so it might be coming to the level of 80%. Means the strength for the upside is slowly declining. If it comes to the level of 14,000 change, the possibility to go in the upper direction will be lesser. Okay. Mm, it might do like some correction here, 80%, and then to the upside. There it will be 15,600 or something, but it might come to the 100% also. But how it behaves near this 80% will depend. But if it is taking a support and crossing this channel in a comfortable two-stage confirmation, so one can look for the buy for at least, let's say, 15,300 and 15,600. So as per now it might go to the level of 14,800 and correct, then go, or first to the downside and then upside. So plan accordingly that. So in the last week we have discussed in the bank nifty, like it might come to the 80%, so it might be level of 80%. Or if it is going to the 100% also, it will go upside, because the moment of previous is faster compared to this slower movement. So one up will definitely come to complete this structure as a B and C. Okay, look for buy, not for the sell in case of bank nifty. HDFC Bank structurally hasn't changed much as expected. We were expecting it to go first and then down. First it went up, downside, and then up. So now it might little bit correct or starts moving upside. So if it comfortably crosses this trend line or a channel, we'll look for the buy, because it is giving a timely breakout. If it is crossing the level of, let's say, 2617, then we will look for the buy, or else we'll be looking for the sell. HDFC Bank, similar, nothing changed structurally, but look for the buy setup once it gives the confirmation, or let's say a two-stage confirmation. Okay, look for the buy, not for the sell. Hindustan Unilever, as expected, it will go to this level or at least to this channel stop, then to the downside. So it might do this and downside. So look for sell in case of Hindustan Unilever, not to buy. ICICI Bank, similar structure. All the bank nifties, maybe bank structures are looking similar, kind to the 80% or 100%. Then one up at least to the 61% and 80% will come in case of Infosys. Sorry, in case of ICICI Bank. This structure is like a or here it is A and it is B and it is going for the C. So it will come one down before it can go any further up. So presently look for the sell up to the level of 1250. Then we'll be looking for the buy. ITC structurally hasn't changed much. So look for buy setup as earlier discussed. It will come to the downside and then go upside. Kotak Mahindra. Yeah, here if it is consolidating in this area, it will come to the level of downside, that is for 1694, and then it might reverse from here to the 80%, that is 1940 and further. So you need to trade for this structure as like W inverted or W structure. For example, this is like it will do this. So look for buy here in this area if it comes, because it is consolidating, so it might come one down before it can go any further up. Okay. L&T, similar structure. Look for buy, maybe a ending diagonal like structure. Reliance, nothing changed structurally, as discussed earlier, like it might come to the level of downside first. So it will come to the downside, then up, may make the structure that of the triangle, or some complex correction. Okay, right. TCS, yeah, as expected, 80 to 100%. Then it might reverse. See, exactly, it reversed from the top, that is from 33.62. Now at least it will go to the 61% or 80%. So it was looking like a flat structure or a triangle now. So at least 80% it will come. 29.75. So here it might come like this before it can go any further up or further down. Bajaj Finance. Yes. Bajaj Finance, we were expecting it one buy, but the structure has changed, but nothing has changed as per the two-stage confirmation. It came down, but not aggressively or in a lesser time. So this structure will be definitely changes, but not in a very negative way. It will come to this point at least 80% of this total downside or upside move. So here above this, I'll be buying, keeping a small stop loss of this for upper side. Okay, 5600. So this is for the Bajaj Finance, and please do take your financial experts advice before taking any financial or trading decisions. This video is only for the education purpose. If you find this video be useful, please do share among your friends and family members. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Have a wonderful weekend. Thank you.